Hi friends, today we are going to work on loose watercolor painting of very simple flowers and leaves and some insects. I will be using three colors, gray, blue, and the pale gold. It will be wet on wet. And there you go. I am adding blue with a lot of water over very wet gray. Let it blur the edges and mix the color right there on paper. There won't be a lot of details at all. It will be just a suggestive of the shapes and designs. And here's another flower. I'm using darker blue accent right there just to give it some variety. These are mainly design elements to go with a main textile floral that I painted. More blue accents, while the gray base layer is really wet. That's the fun part of painting with watercolor. Some berries. Now I'm moving on to insects. First, butterfly. Again, I'm using gray first for the base layer, and then while the paint is still quite wet, I'm adding details with blue. And very light blue with gray accent for a change. It's just so much fun to work in this kind of style. I can go on and on painting non-stop, but I have to stop. More butterflies, gray with a little bit of blue accent. And the possibility is endless. Different than pattern combinations. There you go. That's it for today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching.